Hello everyone, I am Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swalkuchi. We hand weave the authentic and the original Assam silk saris to Assam silk mekhela sadar, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sadar. All our silk saris comes with lab testing certificate wherein the work and weft is tested and certified. Today, before I showcase any of the sari, I would like to pass down this very important message to every one of you that handloom is a slow fashion. And when we say handloom is a slow fashion, that does not only mean that since it is hand woven, hence it takes time. The entire process of handloom, which starts not only from the weaving, but way before that, the cultivation of the cocoon, then getting the cocoons right, nurturing it, and then reeling, spinning, all other process that is involved are long time taking process. It takes a lot of time. And then the weaving, of course. In our loom, we ensure that we provide the best quality of our Assam. So we do not compromise on the quality of the thread nor on the weaving technique. So I felt this was a very much needed message that everyone should know. So with no further ado, today I'm going to showcase two absolutely beautiful Assam Tasar silk saris. Our Assam Tasar silk saris are generally the color of the Tasar silk sari is generally in a color form of ghee. It's a very muted ghee color you can see, and they are to love for. You will love the texture and the design and the color combination is absolutely mind blowing. So let's wait and please do watch our entire video and do not forget to comment which one of the tasar that I will be showing is your favorite. This is the beautiful first Assam Tasar silk sari. As I said, the color of our generally the color of our tasar is in a ghee color. It's a muted ghee color, a very soothing color for any age group and for any complexion. Before I show you the entire sari, first I would show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It comes along with this border panel, which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now I'll show you this lovely, beautiful Assam Tasar silk sari. Now, speaking for this Tasar silk sari, we have kept it absolutely traditional. The design motif done on the palla is the beautiful Gos Buta motif. Gos Buta means tree motif. Gos means tree. We call tree as gos in our colloquial language. This is the gos buta motif, a very known and very loved buta of Assam. This is how the entire palla goes. And the thread that we have used is a very pretty pink color. It's a very offbeat color, but I feel it has turned out to be superb and so beautiful. The entire body has got butas of small gods buta. This is how the entire sari looks like. As we go to the inner side of the sari, you can see the distance of the buta increases. This is how the entire sari will look. And now the border. The border is also lovely and very beautiful. The border has been woven with thread and it is a stitched border, means the border has been woven and then stitched over the sari. A very unusual color combination. Generally, we see tasa color sari with red, green, or some very bright color. But we thought to come up with a very feminine, very calm and a very soothing combination. Hence, this color pink. And yes, as I had already mentioned, the sari does comes with lab testing certificate where the warp and weft will be tested and certified. So this is the first sari. Now we will move on to the next beautiful Assam Tasar silk. This is the second beautiful Assam Tasar silk sari. It is in the combination of red, black, and golden zari. Before I showcase you the entire sari, I'll show you the blouse piece. This is how the blouse looks like. It has got this border panel which has been crafted with red and golden zari. You can see how beautiful it looks. If you wish, you can also pair the sari with a beautiful red silk blouse, giving it a color pop. I feel it even that would look very beautiful. Now look at this sari. The combination traditional, design traditional. People who love traditional things, traditional bootas like me. I'm an old school, out and out old school. I love everything vintage. I always go and ask my viewers that no, we got to do the vintage bootas. We got to revive bootas. We find, coming up with the new ones. That's all good, but I feel there are uh, certain love, old love that I have, especially for the traditional things wherever I see it. And this sari is that piece. This sari has been crafted beautifully with red, black, and golden zari. Look at this achal portion, a complete breathtaking piece, gauze bootas all over. You can look at the minas that has been done, very neatly crafted, and the body has got the beautiful small gauze bootas. We also call them as miri bootas. See this. This is how the entire body looks like. As I unfold the sari, I hope you can feel and see the texture. These are not thin tassels. These are not Korean tassels. These are our local homegrown Assam tassels. As we go to the inner side, you have seen the distance of the bootas are placed farther from each other. Now the border. The border, what we have done is this. It is a stitched border where mainly we have worked with red color thread and golden zari, giving it a very small lining, a touch of black. The touch of black is so minimalistic, but I feel this touch of black adds again a different kind of character to the entire drape. So this is the beautiful Assam Tasar silk for you ladies. Very traditional, but I'm sure you will love this traditional piece to be a part of your handloom collection. The sari comes with lab testing certificate. Lab tested means the warp and weft will be tested and certified. If you like any of this two sari, you can definitely book it by contacting us at 789-654-1489. And the boutique owners who are into out and out and absolutely genuine handloom collection and is looking for an authentic Assam handloom weaver or someone who can provide you with such beautiful and a promise of quality, please do knock us. We'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching our videos, ladies. And before I say bye to all, one small request. Please do support Handloom. We do need your support. And when we say support, we just not only mean by buying our handloom products. We also support can be very small as just passing down a like or a share or maybe a comment. And people who are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe so that you will be notified the next time when I come along with this or more beautiful saris of Assam. Thank you.